On the birth anniversary of Kunwar Vyogi, one of the greatest poets I've known, I'll be reciting one of his sonnets in the memory of the little time that I've spent with him. The sonnet that I've picked up is Daughters. The reason why I picked up this poem for this recital was because, in its own simple way, this poem conveys a very warm emotion. And personally, I've always felt that to convey an emotion which is that overwhelming, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to articulate an emotion of the sort, but this poem does it, and does it very appropriately, which is why I've picked up this poem for this recital. So here it goes. How quickly daughters grow, unlike sons, in a single season, like the stalks of wheat. Get ripened, daughters forget childish puns and blossom into blushing maidens sweet. Like young ones of sparrows wingless hatched, are fondled by the beaks of mothers fed, and quickly growing wings unattached. To mothers they become, and instead of welcome chirpings, nests are empty left, and likewise fathers also lonely feel when homes of their daughters are bereft. They feel that life upon uneven keel. How quickly daughters grow, unlike sons, from childhood to the teens in a dozen sons. Thank you.